A very good evening to all of you. I take this grand opportunity to welcome you all on this very fabulous and much awaited evening of the year. Today, as we commemorate Chairman Sammelan, I would like to take this opportunity to wish our Honorable Chairman, Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, Director General Dr. A.K. Mukherjee, Medical Director Dr. H.S. Chabra, Boli Ma'am, Sugan Madam, and of course, all ISICN a very happy New Year 2021. First of all, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our visionary leader, Major HPS Ahluwalia, for leading us all the way in the fight against COVID 19. We are fortunate to be a part of such an institution that always supports us in million ways, even through unprecedented times. The year 2020 has been difficult for all of us in many ways. Living in the pandemic took a serious toll on our physical as well as mental health. But now it's time to forget the worry of the past and welcome 2021 with hope, joy, and happiness. All we can hope from this coming year to be kinder to humanity in more ways than one. Before we move on to the program, I'd like everyone to give a big hand for themselves. We, the ICIC team, have worked relentlessly through these times. We have not only survived but have achieved milestones, be it setting up COVID facility to run an excellent show on an international platform in the form of conference. We have also set an example of a great teamwork that certainly made us rise to the challenge in difficult times. Once again, I wish all of you a very dynamic, productive, and fruitful year. I also pray to Lord that every day of our lives glow with cheer and happiness. So let's begin with the program. Let's begin with Saraswati Vanna, and here we are presenting that. So may Lord give us strength for tough times, positivity for good times, and ambition for the future. So that was a good start. May I now request Dr. Preetham to please give us his insight on the achievements. I also like to quote that desire is the starting point of all the achievements. It's not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. So here is an insight on the achievements of ISIC during the year of 2020.
Good evening, all of you, and wish you all a very happy New Year. And what a horrendous year that was. And we are in now 2021, and I hope this year is going to be the year of remedies and solutions rather than the problems. And in the year 2020, we had gone through many tough situations, be it geopolitical or ecological conditions, be it fire situations in Amazon forest or in Australia or US-Iran fights, or and also the most horrendous situation of COVID-19, which we all have to go through. And in the month of January, the WHO has announced public health emergency internationally because of the COVID situation. So I would like to hear just to highlight some of the activities that we have carried out and also the achievements, some of the achievements we have achieved during the pandemic year. So ISSC quickly responded in this situation when the government has announced about the COVID-19 and started its preparation to combat the upcoming pandemic. ISSC worked on preserving resources, reorganizing and distribution of resources like manpower, essential supply, emergency drugs, etc., safeguarding vulnerable staff members by making staff work from home. There are also hazards and vulnerability analysis of the entire organization was carried out to identify the risk factors, and plans were drawn to sustain the upcoming pandemic. ISCC took several cost containment measures, which is with respect to ongoing projects, engineering department, manpower, funding for education, research, and training, etc. However, the staff was fully supported for upskilling themselves through online training, webinars, etc. ISIC observed sharp fall in number of OPD and IPD in the month of April and May. To overcome such situations, so we endeavored into teleconsultation services for OPD and provided teleconsultation to approximately 3,800 patients till now. ISSC also developed and implemented several protocols related to infection control measures related to COVID-19, be it day, night, where the entire management was involved and the decisions were taken at many times in the middle of the night, and the team had worked day in and day out. ISIC has worked very hard because we had also applied for a renewal of a registration along with other bigger hospitals, and we are really happy to say that we are one of the few hospitals who got our hospital registration renewed in the year of 2020, along with the increasing of bed from 185 to 200. So there are some tests that we have initiated that are like TrueNAT RT-PCR for COVID and H1N1 testing, again related to TrueNAT RT-PCR. At the same time, we also got Enable desktop audit completed and got the certification, and also Enable accreditation for molecular testing, including RNA viruses. There are some other activities that was carried out like pharmacy, home delivery system, home care COVID package system was initiated just to combat the situation and to make the institution financially viable. ISSC initiated many webinars with perspective of patients and corporates, and till now we have done about 14 webinars. Also, ISSC has carried out many campaigns, and there are some blog pages, and also certain media coverages also was achieved. Around 380 media coverages were carried out. At the same time, we also strengthened our presence on the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Since we have achieved 200 beds, we also moved ahead in applying for fellowship in arthroscopy and trauma services. And we also had started medical oncology services in the year 2020. ISSC, as you all know, that has organized one of the most appreciated program, that is ISICON virtual platform, which was appreciated by Anbai as well, and they had asked us to coordinate their activity, and which we had recently completed. ISSC also, we have received a certification from the DPCC, that is for STP and ATP for the next 5 years. That is also one of our achievement in related to statutory matters. We are also working hard on NABH and nursing excellence in consideration with the 5th edition, and which is going to be held in the year 2021, and we are preparing ourselves for the same. So having said all part, there are some sad situation also has occurred, wherein we lost our Mataji, our MD sir's beloved mother, and who has left for heavenly abode in this situation. And also there are demise of Dr. Gill's wife, Rinky's father, and Shashi's mother, which is also a sad story during this period. So I would like to say here that hopefully, as I told you, that 2021 will be the year of achievements, year of solution, and we'll be coming out with the new hope, and we'll reach new highs in 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Preetham. Thank you so much. ISIC has definitely shown an incredible team building traits. And I must say, we are also blessed that we have got this platform to show and dwell our potential in the right way. And I would like to say that, you know, we have leaders who have not taken a single leaf throughout to lead us and to show us an example that what we can do in such unprecedented times. Thank you so much. And I would like to say a big round of applause for all the departments and teams, those who are working day and night together to make this happen. Moving on to the next one, I would like to extend thanks and appreciation to all the frontline health workers for using all their bravery and courage to fight against this disease. I must say, you truly are the heroes. All the work and effort you put into your world every day by risking your lives for others, it is well appreciated. Thank you once again. And let's have an AV tour to this, to the work that COVID warriors are doing. Thank you seems such a small word for the work you did and you're still doing during this pandemic. Every day you're making a difference to this whole world when you're fighting this pandemic, and your continued work is truly inspiring. So, once again, thank you so much for all your work, and we all appreciate you. So, one of the greatest values of mentors is the ability to see more talent and ability within us than we see in ourselves. It helps us in bringing out the best in us. So, it's an honor for me to invite our mentor and leader with brilliance, our medical director, chief of spine services, Dr. H.S. Thabra, to kindly address, staff welfare policies. Please, sir.
धन्यवाद रिमशा। आदरणीय मेजर आलूवालिया जी, मैडम भोली आलूवालिया, डॉक्टर ए.के. मुखर्जी आज इस सभा में शामिल नहीं हो सके। वो 1 जनवरी को अपने पारिवारिक कर्तव्य निभाते हैं। बाकी बोर्ड मेंबरान, हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के मेंबरान, मेरे डॉक्टर कलीग्स और प्रिय मित्रों, हर साल की तरह आज 1 जनवरी पे ये सभा में हम एकत्रित हैं। थोड़ा सा फर्क है। हाँ, ये एक बहुत चुनौतियों भरा साल रहा, जैसे कि रिमशा ने और डॉक्टर प्रीतम ने बताया। पर मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि हमारे प्रिय परिवार के मुखिया, हमारे चेयरमैन मेजर आलूवालिया जी के नेतृत्व में आप सबने ये चुनौती बखूबी निभाई, चुनौती स्वीकारी और अपनी जिम्मेवारियां बखूबी निभाई, और ऐसे निभाई कि हमें दिख रहा है कि आपने कैसे इस आपदा को अवसर में बदल के मौका उठाया है कि आप फायदा कैसे इसमें से निकाल पाएं। उसका सबसे पहला उदाहरण तो ये सभा है, जो कि एक वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट में की जा रही है। हर साल हम ऑडिटोरियम में एकत्रित होते थे, पर आज भी मैं देख पा रहा हूं कि कम से कम हमारे 83 मित्र इस सभा में शामिल हैं, और जैसे सभा चलेगी और भी हमारे मित्रगण इस सभा में शामिल हो पाएंगे। और जो नहीं भी शामिल हो पाए, वो आईटी टीम की मदद से इस सभा को रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन में बाद में देख पाएंगे, ताकि जो लोग आज अपने कर्तव्यों में अभी बिजी हैं, वो बाद में देख सकें कि आज हमने ये चेयरमैन दरबार कैसे हमने मनाया है। तो मित्रों, अगर हम देखें तो जितनी भी बड़ी चुनौती हो, जितनी भी बड़ी आपदा हो, हम उसको अवसर में बदल सकते हैं और मौके का फायदा उठा सकते हैं। तो यही हमने देखना है कि कैसे हम इस चुनौती से डरे ना, और कैसे, जैसे हमने इतने महीनों में किया, इस पे अब खरे निकलें और सफलतापूर्वक फायदा उठा सके। जैसे डॉक्टर प्रीतम ने बताया कि हमने कैसे टेली कंसल्टेशन शुरू की, हमने कैसे कॉस्ट कंट्रोल्स किए, तो उस तरह कैसे हम ये एक और भी अच्छे परिवार की तरह इसमें इकट्ठे होके अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दिखा पाए, अच्छी तरक्की कर पाए, और ना खाली दिल्ली में, ना खाली इस देश में, पर पूरी दुनिया में एक मिसाल की तरह उतरे। तो मैं इसके लिए जरूर धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा मेजर आलूवालिया और बोर्ड के मेंबरान ने, जो हमें हमेशा मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं कि हम आगे बढ़ें, कैसे इस परिवार को आगे लेके चलें। पर इसमें आप सबको भी धन्यवाद देता हूं, क्योंकि जब मार्च अप्रैल में ये चुनौती हमारे सामने आई तो शायद शुरू में हम हिले थे और ये पता नहीं था कि आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे। पर आज हम में वो कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हम बड़ी से बड़ी चुनौती, अगर इस चुनौती में से सफलता पूर्वक निकल रहे हैं तो बड़ी से बड़ी चुनौती में से जरूर निकल पाएंगे। तो आप सबको मुबारकबाद इस चुनौती को अच्छी तरह स्वीकारने के लिए। हाँ, हर चेयरमैन दरबार से पहले, ISIC डे से पहले हम कुछ खेलों का आयोजन करते हैं, कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन्स का आयोजन करते हैं। आप लोग ने मिस तो जरूर किया होगा। हाँ, हम सब लगे हुए थे कि कैसे हम पहले पेशेंट्स की सर्विसेज चलाते रहें, बट जैसे अब हमने देखा कि हम सफलतापूर्वक इसमें से निकल पा रहे हैं, मेरा ये निवेदन होगा हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट कमेटी को और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कि चाहे इन पर्सन ना हो कॉम्पिटिशन्स, पर जैसे हम ये सभा वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट में कर रहे हैं, क्यों ना हम इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल कॉम्पिटिशन्स वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट में कर सकें। आप अपने आप देखें कि हर महीने एक करें, ताकि काम के साथ साथ लोगों को कुछ मनोरंजन का भी अवसर मिले, ये मोनोटनी भी टूटे और हम एक परिवार की तरह ना खाली काम कर सके बट मनोरंजन में भी शामिल हो सके। और मेरे को पूरी उम्मीद है कि इस नए साल में जल्दी ही हम इसकी शुरुआत कर पाएंगे। तो दोस्तों, मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा आप लोग का, पर खाली ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आज वैक्सीन से एक उम्मीद जागी है और जल्दी ही शायद इसी महीने आप सब तक ये वैक्सीन पहुंचे। पर जैसे कि मोदी जी ने सबको बताया और जैसे कि WHO भी बता रहा है, हमें ढीले नहीं पड़ना, हमें सावधानियां अभी भी उसी तरह निभानी है जैसे कि हम निभाते आए हैं, ताकि हम इस चुनौती में से निकले, हम खुशल रहें, हमें ये जो बीमारी है हमें पकड़ ना पाए और हम अपने जो हमने दृढ़ निश्चय किए हैं वो हम पूरे कर सके। तो इसके साथ मैं हर चेयरमैन दरबार की तरह, जहां मैनेजमेंट और खास तौर से चेयरमैन सर आप सबसे पूछते हैं कि अगर आप लोग को कोई कमेंट है, कोई सजेशन है जो आप देना चाहेंगे मैनेजमेंट के लिए, तो वो चेयरमैन साहब के सम्मुख रखें। अभी आप अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते हैं। अगर कोई भी सुझाव है कृपया वो सामने रखें। पूरे ISIC परिवार से ये हमारा निवेदन है। आज नहीं भी बोल पाए, शामिल ना हो पाए, तो अगले एक दिन में अगर कोई भी आपका सुझाव है, कोई भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जो खाली आपकी अकेले की नहीं पर पूरे परिवार की है, उसके लिए कोई सुझाव रखना चाहें तो जरूर सामने आए। वरिमशा, आप एक बार फिर सबसे ये निवेदन कर सकते हैं कि अगर कोई भी किसी को भी कोई सुझाव है तो जरूर सामने रखें।
Yes, sir. I think sir has communicated very well, and I think it's one of the interesting part of the Chairman Sammelan. You know, when you get a chance to interact and share your experiences with us, please feel free to have a word with sir, so that we can talk on that. And if you are not here today, probably we can do that later. Those who are here today, please feel free to share your feelings, your experiences, and whatever recommendations if you have. Please go on.
नहीं आ रहा ना।
सॉरी रिमशा, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट। अगर कोई भी स्टाफ कोई
I think Ritu ma'am wants to say that if you have anything, please raise your hand so that they can unmute you. So if anyone who's attending this and has something to say, please raise your hand.
और अगर आपने हाथ उठाना है तो नीचे कंट्रोल बॉक्स में पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाके आप क्लिक कर सकते हैं टू रेज हैंड, ताकि आप मतलब आप बोलना चाहते हैं कुछ, वो अपनी फरमाइश रख सकें ताकि वो अनम्यूट कर सकें, पर ताकि एक एक करके सब बोल सकें।
I think so. Before all the people are figuring out, I must say what you said, that we are missing so many things. I'm also missing those cheers and applauds that used to be there in auditorium. So sir, I hope I really wish that we get to have that kind of gathering soon.
तो आईटी टीम ये ध्यान रखे कि अगली बार ये अप्लॉज यूट्यूब में कैसे आप दे सके, सॉरी जूम में कैसे दे सके, वो आप रख सके ताकि रिमशा अपना अप्लॉज
Sir, that could be done.
Rimsha, we can carry this forward as people, if they have any suggestions, they can come up with it even after Chairman Sir's address. But,
yes, sir.
अगर किसी को कुछ कहना है तो वो, हाँ, एक तो शायद चेयर्स ही आए हैं नेकराम जी की तरफ से, बट अगर किसी को कोई भी सुझाव देना है तो आप मेल से या खुद फोन करके एचआर डिपार्टमेंट में या किसी भी एचएमसी मेंबर को या अपने हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट पे जरूर पहुंचा सकते हैं, ताकि वो हम चेयरमैन सर पर पहुंचा सकें। So carry on, Rimsha.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and you really inspire us. And definitely, thank you for your inspiring words. And moving on to the next part, there's a musical, melodious message which is by the staff members. So I would not take a lot of time, and I would request IT people to please run that musical melodious message. Please go on. Thank you.
Happy
So we all have got so many beautiful memories from here, and I'm sure we will continue to have them. Thank you, IT department, for such a beautiful compilation. I think there was some interruption.
Go ahead, Rimsha.
Yeah, sir. So, so I just want to thank you, IT department, for a very nice and beautifully compiled video. Now, at times, I think our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. So each of us knows such a person in our life that has lighted that light within us. That's our chairman, sir. I would like to express deepest gratitude on behalf of everyone present here to you, sir, for providing us such a befitting platform to shine and show our potential. Thank you so much. And may I request IT to please have the video message from sir.
Let me begin by wishing the whole ISIC family a very happy new year. It has been our tradition to have a chairman Darbar as we welcome each new year. We are not able to meet in person due to COVID. However, it is good to be able to use technology and carry on this tradition virtually. I would like to thank personally everyone for their great service to humanity and ISIC during the tough times over the past year. Hopefully, it will be over soon and we will be able to meet again. My best wishes to you all and your family for 2021. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your wishes and thank you for your lovely words. So I would like to say a few lines. ये साल हमारी किस्मत को कुछ नए ढंग से आकेगा. ये साल हमारी हिम्मत को कुछ नए ढंग से आकेगा. ये साल हमारी हिम्मत में कुछ नए सितारे टाकेगा. इस साल अगर हम अंदर से दुख की बदली को हटा सके तो मुमकिन है इसी साल हम सबसे सूरज झाकेगा. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining us, and let's go to the national anthem. Thank you MD sir. Thank you Dr. Preetham, and let's please rise up for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone. Wish you a very happy new year. A great year ahead. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you all.
And thank you, Rimsha.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks all those concerned for making this happen. And that's how we will progress further. We will make things happen this year. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.